I'm happy to share this project with you. A beautiful Easter egg surprise box that you can make using your cutting machine. It's perfect for gifting sweets, and it has a very fun way of opening. This download includes SVG and Studio formats. You can use this file with Cricut, Silhouette Cameo, Laser Cut, and similar machines. As usual, I'll be using Cricut Design Space and the SVG format with score lines. Once the SVG file is uploaded, go to the Write Layers panel and expand the file layers. Identify the fold lines and change the operation from cut to score. You can change them one by one, but I'll change both fold lines at once by holding the Shift key while clicking the two layers in the panel. Now ungroup. Select the score lines along with their corresponding serrated strips. Notice that the layers turn light blue when selected. Now click Attach. The project is now ready to cut. Click Make. I'm using the cardstock for intricate cut setting. And I'll be using the scoring stylus. Cutting recommendations. First, use a cutting mat with enough grip. Second, make sure your blade is sharp. Today, I'm using 80 pounds cardstock. Once all the layers are cut, it's time to assemble. I'll start with the serrated strips. Fold the strips along the score lines. Define the folds using a bone folder. I recommend not folding the tab that closes the strip. I only use the mark as a guide to apply the glue. While we let the green strip for the base dry, I'll do the same with the purple piece for the lid. Compare the two egg shapes for the base. Use the larger one to glue the serrated strip. We'll use the smaller one later for the interior. Apply glue to the small tabs and position the strip around the egg, just as I'm showing you here. Once the strips are glued, place the smaller egg shape inside. Now let's assemble the lid. I'll start by gluing the strip that is missing some tabs. This serves as my guide, since the pull tab used to open the box must remain free. Glue the egg-shaped border to the interior, like this. We have included 4 different designs in the download to decorate your egg box, like this one. The box is ready to be filled and to surprise someone special. Put whatever you like inside. Now we seal the box with glue. Open it by pulling the tab. The cut segments make it easy and fun for whoever receives a gift in this lovely box. This box is perfect and beautiful for Easter gifting. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe, and let's keep sharing more creative ideas for your cutting machine.